Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to get ID of any Telegram channel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up Telegram. After that you have to find Telegram ID bot. So all you have to do now is go into Chats tab, then swipe down to bring up search, then tap on that, and right here just type in ID bot. It shows you that results. You have to pick ID bot. And now here you can just tap on start, and all you have to do now is just send Telegram channel or Telegram group username to that bot. By default it shows you your Telegram ID, by the way. So now you can open up some Telegram channel, let it be that one. Then you can hit right there at the very top at channel's name, where it shows share link. You can tap on it, then hit on copy link to copy that link to the clipboard, and now you can open up ID bot and then just paste that link here and hit on send button. And after that it shows that channel username and their ID. You can send right here links to the channel or to the group or their usernames as well. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.